Hello everybody, Gbenga Olatunji here. Why close the accounting books is what we want to be looking at today. Why close the accounting books, and also we are going to look at the checklist that could make it easier for us when closing the accounting books. Naturally, accounts must be closed, but why? So that is what we are going to learn first of all in this video. Then what are the advantages of closing accounting records? Then how should we go about closing accounting records? These are the items on the list that we want to look at, and if you have any question maybe during and after this video, you can always reach us on the displayed email, or you comment and like the GJAMES Associate channel, subscribe to us. Please don't forget to subscribe, because you are encouraging us when you subscribe, and also you are giving the opportunity to others around you so we can easily reach them. So let us go into the video. Why do we usually close the accounting records? It is important for us to know that not every organization that existed last year or last month will still be in existence today. So whether they are in existence or not, accounts should be closed, and this is one of the reasons we usually have some organization that will close their accounts on monthly basis. So accounts can be closed on monthly basis or on yearly basis. Why is the first question. Do we close accounting books? We close accounting books especially for the year-end closure, because we do not want rollover of profit or loss, as the case may be, from the previous accounting period into the current accounting period. When that happens, it exaggerates our business operations, whether we are making profit or otherwise. So the profit or the loss of each accounting period should be limited and be recognized in the accounts in which the loss was made or the profit was made. So this is an important reason accounts must be closed, yearly too or monthly. Some organizations, big multinationals, close their books on monthly basis so that they can prevent rollover of profit or loss, so that they can easily be able to recognize and pull together their accounts. So the next question we want to deal with are, what are the advantages of closing the accounting books? What are the advantages of closing the